Hey, buddy. Morning. What do you got there? Bananas? Cool. What do we got on the agenda today? I see bananas right off the bat. Hey. Got anything to say? That's okay. I got coffee. You want coffee? Probably not, right? Alright. I'm going to let you finish eating. Maybe we'll catch another video later. We're a little bit more interactive. Say bye to everyone. Bye-bye. Yeah, okay. Love you. Smooches. Bye-bye.